Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the leather so paint adheres and lasts. Clean thoroughly with 70% isopropyl or mild soap, remove laces, and let dry. Oils prevent bonding. Once clean, lightly sand with 400-600 grit to scuff the surface, then wipe with a tack cloth. Make sure to use a leather deglazer to remove finish, because primer won't stick to top coat residue. Apply one thin, even coat of acrylic leather primer and let it dry fully before moving on. Once the primer is dry, choose Artist acrylic or leather-specific paint and prepare thin, controllable mixes. You should thin about 10-20% with water or acrylic binder to avoid cracking, because thick paint flexes poorly on leather. Apply thin layers, plan for 2 to 4 light coats, allowing 15 to 30 minutes drying between coats so each layer bonds. Use brushes for edges and seams, and an airbrush or soft foam for even panels. This balances control and smooth coverage without saturating the leather. You finish by sealing and curing so your work survives wear. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats of a flexible leather sealer, matte or satin, allowing 15 to 30 minutes between coats because rigid varnish will crack. Then cure the shoes 24 to 72 hours in a dry, ventilated area and perform a gentle flex test before wearing. If you see cracking or flaking, stop. Lightly sand the area, reapply deglazer and primer, thin future paint layers more, and always use a flexible sealer to prevent repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.